Hello, welcome to Brickyland. Today we're going to take a look at this Kellogg's Fruit Loops box that has Lego on the box. So there was a Lego partnership with Kellogg's at some point. So let's take a look at this box here. See, it says free Lego in mail. So there's a free Lego offer, and on the side it says win your own $4,000 Lego Fantasy Prize. So there's a sweepstakes on there. And then on the back, free Lego in mail building set. So free with proof of purchase from participating brands. So you fill out the form, I guess, and then you send it in and you get one of these sets in the mail. So $2.59 value. So pretty cool little box here from 1991. So it's Kellogg's Fruit Loops box. So hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure to subscribe for more like this. Thank you for watching.